हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे यूजेस एंड अब्यूजेस ऑफ साइंस इंग्लिश ऐसे के बारे में। दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ अब जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकॉन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। साइंस इज अ ब्रांच ऑफ नॉलेज दैट अनवील्स द सीक्रेट्स ऑफ द यूनिवर्स। Science has changed the conception of life. It has brought a great revolution in every field of life. If a man 100 years ago comes to this world, he would not recognize this world and would become mad to see the modern inventions of science. Blessings of science are too many to count. In the field of health, science has caused wonder. In the past, people suffered from fatal diseases and died. But now these terrible diseases have been overcome by science. Plastic surgery can transform an ugly woman into a beauty queen. Similarly, transplantation of heart and kidneys has become very common. In transportation, science has served us as a servant. In the past, people departed from their friends and relatives for months and years. Science has shortened distances. Now one can travel around the world in a day. It will be true to say that science has made the world a global village, and the day is not far when man will spend his holidays on the moon. In the field of agriculture, science has performed miracles. Farming has become just a hobby. Now there is no danger of famine, etc. Atomic energy is one of the most wonderful blessings of science. It can run mills, factories, etc. No doubt science has worked miracles in every field, but when we look at the other side of the picture, we are horrified. In the past, war weapons were sword and spear. Their killing range was limited. But today, when we see war weapons like atom bomb, we feel that the end of this world is very near. We can see the destruction of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, where first atom bomb was thrown. The smoke and pollution left by mills and factories are spoiling the whole atmosphere. In Bhopal, thousands of men were killed due to leakage of gas. Science started as our servant, but it has become our cruel master. It has got on our nerves. To sum up, we can say that science has its advantages and as well as disadvantages. But advantage of science is far more than its disadvantage. As far as the destruction caused by science is concerned, it depends upon us how we use it. तो दोस्तों, ये था ऐसे। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप के तहत शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। थैंक यू।